Welcome back, and in this video we're going to be going over the if-else statement. So if you remember from last video, we had just the regular if statement with a condition inside of here, and I'll make it true. And actually we'll make this a little different. So sorry about that. So we have basically two integers, and we're going to set them to a test instead of just setting the numbers to the test. So if z is greater than x, which is then run this statement, and then we're going to say else, and then a body, no parameters, then run this statement. So let's say the test is false, then you lose. So else basically means if the test is false, and in the if statement, in the regular if statement, is what will run if it is true, and again the else is what will run if the test is false. So we're going to go ahead and test this, and we should see you win because the test up here in the if statement is true, and as you can see we get you win in the window. So we can go ahead and close that, and we'll make this false just by changing these out, and just go ahead and run it again to show you guys how it works if we were to have it false. So it says you lose, and that's basically it for this video. The if else statement and the if statement are really basic, so practice them if you don't understand them, and don't skip it if you don't understand it, because it is, while it is basic, it is something that's very useful in a lot of different situations. So again, don't skip over it if you're not getting it. Just go ahead, rewatch the video, or reference it on c++.com. If you have any questions, post it. Sorry I got interrupted. Basically just leave a comment if you don't understand this, and if you don't get it, and again, don't skip over it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Stay tuned for the whole course on C++, and subscribe to my channel for more programming videos just like this one, as well as much more content. So thank you guys for watching again, and I'll see you guys next time.